Precision Concepts was founded in Costa Rica in 1991. And really the first production product there was the fetal scalp electrode. The fetal scalp electrode is used all over the world, typically to get better heart rhythm measurements, usually in pregnancy births that have some sort of complication. So that was kind of the entry. Precision Concepts was the first medical device contract manufacturer in Costa Rica, and that's kind of how it started. If you kind of fast forward, right, 10 years later is when Catheter Research Inc. Established their footprint in Costa Rica, and what they were doing was extrusions and catheter subassemblies, and from an export. Bananas had been replaced by microchips as the number one export at that time. In 2018, Biomerics acquired Catheter Research Inc. And then in 2023, Biomerics and Precision Concepts merged together. And that merger created the largest medical device contract manufacturer in Costa Rica. If you fast forward to today, there's over 90 medtech companies in the country. There's 14 of those are the largest in the world. The medtech sector is now the number one export in Costa Rica, with over 40% of their export revenue being medtech based. Biomerics offers in-country vertically integrated solutions, including extrusions, braiding, micromachining, micro-overmolding, and conventional molding. Today, we employ over 1,400 employees and produce well over 1 million finished devices annually out of Costa Rica. Why customers choose Biomerics in Costa Rica as their partner? The real reason why people pick Biomerics is because they trust us. We have a proven track record of turning art into a repeatable process backed by statistical controls. The team is really, really good at understanding, documenting, and then turning it into a process. Over the years, we've transferred hundreds of product lines to Costa Rica. We have the best project managers. They're all PMI certified project managers. They're supported by expert engineers in multiple disciplines. And very important is that they're all local to Costa Rica. They're not traveling from the US and spending a week at a time in Costa Rica. They're from Costa Rica. We have all of these internal capabilities to develop and manufacture components. But then beyond that, we have automation along with the vertical integration, and that continuously provides a long-term, scalable, high-quality products at a cost-effective price. Products that we manufacture in our Biomerics Costa Rica site, we ship actually 1.2 million finished sterile packaged products from Costa Rica. They're across a wide variety of markets, from ENT with the market leaders in the ENT and balloon sinuplasty, to robotics, robotic-driven steerable scopes. The other, probably one of the biggest products, you see commercials all the time around AFib and AFib treatment. So we produce steerable diagnostic catheters that are to diagnose in the heart what is actually causing the AFib. So those are kind of the big things. Obviously, we produce a lot of smaller stents that are used for dilating kidneys and other products. In general, it's typically the high-end steerable catheters and balloon catheters. Products that reliability and performance is key to the product. When we talk about improving and saving lives, the stuff that we're touching, it really does improve and save lives. Why should a customer take the time to come and visit us? Why Costa Rica? They're one of the leading countries out there. what I've noticed is when companies come to see our sites in Costa Rica, they understand. They get the whole picture. Everybody's saying the same thing. But when you come and actually see the facility, see what we're doing, and meet the team, you'll realize why people choose us.